notice how prices of goods always change? Sometimes they're cheap and sometimes they're very expensive. What are the factors that change the prices of goods? This lesson will discuss these matters and teach you how you can save money when you buy goods. After completing this lesson, you should be able to interview market vendors or furniture shop dealers about prices of goods they sell and explain the relationship of the supply of a product with the demand for that product. Let's read. Read the story. Dante is still new in the seafood business. He buys seafood like fish, shrimps, crabs, squid, and others. He sells this in his neighborhood and in nearby barangays. It is an honest means of livelihood, and he has been doing it for 2 weeks now. On his third week of buying seafood, which happened to be the time of the full moon, he was surprised that the prices doubled. It would be now hard for him to sell his products. He was able to attract many customers before because of his low prices, but now he couldn't explain to them why prices went up even if there was no typhoon. There were no tsunami or high sea waves that could destroy coral reefs where sea creatures live. The fish brokers at the pier didn't increase in number, nor did his customers. Dante is worried that his seafood might go to waste if no one wants to buy them. Relation of season and month to prices of goods. Prices of products and goods change, and there are reasons for this. During the rainy season, vegetable prices increase compared to their natural prices. Why? Most of the vegetable fields get flooded during the rainy season. It is also difficult to plant vegetables because they easily rot when they get wet. Do you also know that most suppliers of vegetables are from rural areas? It is difficult to transport vegetables during the rainy season. These are the months of June, July, and August. Because of this, only a few traders bring their vegetables to the city markets. And yet, tomatoes, watermelons, and mangoes are cheaper during summer because they are in season. These are the months of April and May. During the rainy months, their trees don't bloom much. Few blooms mean fewer fruits. This is why prices of these fruits increase during the rainy season. During clear, moonlit nights, fish and shrimp prices increase because of fewer catch by fishermen. The reason for this is that fishes spread to different parts of the sea or lake. It is difficult to catch them. When a cloud hides the moon, the fish crowd near the fishing boat. Only then are fishermen buy these goods because they are cheaper. This way, they are able to save money, which they can use for other important things at home. The law of supply and demand is an advantage to consumers or buyers if there is an abundant supply. This makes the prices of products or goods very cheap. If the supply is low and there is a high demand, prices increase. This makes products or goods expensive. The law of supply and demand is an advantage to consumers or buyers if there is an abundant supply. This makes the prices of products or goods very cheap. If the supply is low and there is a high demand, prices increase. You must remember that products and goods are cheap if supply is plenty. In order to save money, take note of the months when supply is abundant and you can buy products or goods at cheaper prices. This will enable you to buy something you need or want at good prices. At the same time, you are also able to save money for the other needs of your family. Regarding the condition or situation, an example of this is the mad cow disease in Europe. The mad cow disease is a progressive and lethal disease affecting the central nervous system of cattle. It is characterized by the appearance of neurons in the brain of affected cattle. The brain of the cow will have vacuoles or clear holes which make it appear like a sponge. When people heard of the mad cow disease, many consumers were afraid to buy products produced by cattle such as beef. Many countries were affected. Sellers lowered the prices of their meat products. However, people still didn't buy them. Consumers were afraid that the disease would have an effect on people. Consumer confidence was regained when affected countries started to address the problem. They did so through stricter policies regarding cattle and continuous research on how to cure the disease. Or consumer doesn't only consider the prices of products or goods he or she buys. A wise buyer also looks into the safety of the products or goods he or she is buying. In the case presented, the people were afraid of buying cattle products because they fear that these products will have an effect on their health. Despite the lowered prices of cattle products, people didn't buy these products because they feared that they would get sick if they ate beef. Consumer confidence was regained when people realized that many studies were being conducted about the disease and how it affects the people's health. People realized that finding a cure for the disease was a priority of the government, which made people think that it was safe to buy cattle products once again. As a wise buyer, it is important that you consider your health when you buy products or goods. You may be able to save money, but will the product prolong or shorten your life? To sum up, wise buyers or consumers will always look into three things, namely, the reasonable price of the product, the quality of the product, and the safety of the product. In this lesson, you learned the following. The prices of products and goods may vary depending on the season or month. Vegetables are expensive during the rainy season because they easily rot when wet and are difficult to transport. Fruits such as mangoes are cheaper during the summer because they are in season. There are other situations or conditions which may affect the prices of products or goods. One example is the discovery of a disease that affects animals like cows and pigs. It product is cheap and at the same time is also of good quality. This will help you save money. Talk to vendors in markets and stores to find out which products are cheap and of good quality. If there is an abundant supply and less demand for the product, prices are cheaper. If there is a shortage in supply and a high demand for the product, prices become expensive. If there is a sufficient supply and a normal demand, prices of products and goods